Now our task is to fetch those data from nested collection. Let's open the fetch data page. Target is to while clicking on every item, a dialog box should appear. Let's wrap this container with just a detector. In OnTap section, write show dialog, which will return an error dialog. Now we need to get the document of specific user. Let's create a variable named doc and write snapshot.data.docs with index. Create another variable and write doc.id. It will provide the document ID. Now in OnTap function, create subCollection from collection reference and write firebase.instance.collection and pass the collection name we working on. After that, write .doc and pass doc ID and .collection and pass a collection name you wanted to create. Now create another variable named subCollection snapshot. Type is query snapshot and write subCollection.get. You need to add await keyword and make this OnTap asynchronous. Now in this container, create a list view builder which will pass list style and length will be the length of subCollection snapshot's length. Now I am creating a variable named subDocument which will store the item from subCollection. If you remember, we created two items in subCollection. One is phone and other is address. So in the title section, let's write subDocument with phone, and in subtitle section, let's show the address. Now restart this app. Now click on any item. Here a dialog box appeared with phone number and address.